So today we are going on a camping trip on this Gulfstream 6237 LE floor plan RV. This is a camper van. This is a Class C camper van. So we are going to have this tour of this really. So this is for getting protection from mosquitoes. Make sure to let it here so that it doesn't come off when you are driving. So we will come inside. So before going inside, so here is the switch with this light. You can control the light for the entire RV. This is on and off. And once this is on, let's come inside. And once it's on, you'll see this is like a one bedroom. Not exactly one bedroom, like a studio apartment. So this side you'll see the driver's seat. So we'll start with this over here. So this is the water system. So I'll come to this control later. First, we'll just take a tour of what do we have. So here we have sink, and then we have some storage here, some storage here, and 3 stove gas here. And so what we need to do, we need to turn it, and then this is the lighter. This is the lighter. Yeah. So this, like, you can go like this. This is how you turn it on, and this is how you turn it on. Then you turn it off. Alright, so this is let me turn it off. Alright, so we got a little problem here. I think those guys are fixing it. So so here we have a small cute microwave, and the light and fan here for your gas here. And this is a little kitchenette area which can be converted into a bed, which we will do that in a bit. After that we have did I tell you about these lights, these school lights? Yeah, alright. And after that we have this huge fridge here. I think it's kind of like 135 liter if I'm correct, right? So, and this over here is freezer. So yeah, so make sure to have these in place so that
now,
when you're driving,
to keep your door shut while you're driving, you simply move that over there and it holds your door shut. This runs on 12 volt DC. You have solar power.
This is solar powered?
This is solar
awesome.
power,
Awesome.
so you don't have to do anything with the fridge. The fridge will run continuously as long as it's on.
We don't have to do anything. That
Nope.
is awesome. That is a great
Nope.
thing.
Now, to be able to use the microwave and the AC, you do have to be on either generator.
We have fridge, and this fridge runs on 12 volt DC power, which is powered by the solar panel upstairs on the roof. And this AC is also not powered by your generator. I mean, it can be powered by the generator and not by the solar roof. And these are, I think you can control the flow from here. And then here you have a little nice bed for, I think it can easily fit 2 people, like not greater than 6 feet though, but good for, I think, 2
That's a
people.
queen size bed.
This is a queen size bed, yeah, right. This is a
So
queen
you
size
have
bed.
a queen size bed
Queen size
here,
bed.
a queen size bed here, and you have another bed here. So this unit actually sleeps 6 people.
Oh, I see. So this is a queen size bed, and we'll come to the other one later. This is a queen size bed. We have a lot of storage over here, and little nice light here, and storage. A lot of storage actually here. And here you have actually controller for the AC. If you can show it here. Yeah, this is a little controller for your AC and for your heating system. And the best part about this camper van is the washroom. It is pretty spacious compared to other, I mean, in Class C, especially, like, it's really spacious. You can see, like, here we have potty and little wash basin here, and a really good wash basin area. And
I
here
want to turn that on.
Yeah.
Okay, what?
You'll have this shower here, and this is actually, if you see it, this is kind of like a sunroof, so it's pretty cool to take a shower here. And after this we have really great space here, everything. It's a lot spacious than.
I will leave you
I
guys
think.
with
And spaces here, a lot of spaces actually. I just love this one. Alright, so let's come to this part where we have to convert this kitchen table into a bed. So let's see. First you take it out. First you take this out. First you take these both out. Take these out and then you kind of push it. This comes down, down and down, and you have a really nice bed here. Yeah, for your sink and bathroom water. Black is for your feast, your bathroom, your potty water, and fresh is for running water for drinking, and this is for the bed. And this one right here, once we come to it, so this one is, you know, a really cool RV. And this is all the controls here, and you got the lever here, and let's turn this thing up actually. Let's yeah, so you see over there's a really great rear view camera over here, so which you can use while going back, so that like if there is anything you can see it. And this is like it's pretty for driving it, like it's like other automatic car that you can see off. So let's turn it off, and this RV has just 3,000 miles in it, so it's pretty new. So let's go to the exterior to see like some other things which we have. So here we have this one is for your filling up your gas tank, your butane. This is, and this one is again we don't need it. This is for your gas, and yeah, this again we don't need it. This one is a pretty good storage. So this you can see there's a lot of storage, and here you have this one is for your filling up your water tank. This one is for charging up your vehicle. So this, once you plug it in, your RV has a direct power which you can use to run your fridge, your AC, and this one has some pipes for your black water, and this also has like they have given us some cool some 2 chair and some desk. And here at the back of the RV we have this for running for the water, this for filling up your water, this for your drain. And if you see here, this one is really good. Here you can use this to shower outside of your van. This is a hosier, you can use it to the water. And the other thing is, this one is for plugging it into the power source, so that you can get power directly from a source, and you can you don't have to use your battery in that case, or your generator. And these three things here, this is for these 3 are for, I think this is for the black tank fish, which is like, I think for this the capacity is 31 gallon. This is for your fresh water, and this is for your cable and satellite that you can use outside, like you can get connection from outside. The other thing is, and yeah, for these, like you get these 3 outlets here. One is for sewage holding tank, so once you want to like drain it out, you can use the pipes which I've shown you in the storage room to take these out. This is for the sewage holding tank. And so if you see here it's here the outlet for the black water. And the other thing, yeah, here it's for the regular fuel. This camper van requires the regular fuel, and yeah, so we have to fill it up with regular fuel. This is for your generator. This is really good thing about this. This is a generator, so you do, and this generator actually runs like it costs you $3 an hour if you run it on. This entire vehicle is 55 gallon. It has 55 gallon tank, so you can run your generator, and it turns off on its own once your gas tank hits 1/4. So it turns it off on its own, so that you're not stranded anywhere. Apart from that, yeah, this again will use it. I think again will go here, and this is a passenger seat. So yeah, this is a tour of this camper van. See.